guys, welcome back. Today we're going to clean up some rubber floor mats. If you've got some faded, grimy, old rubber floor mats, WeatherTech, vehicle brand, whatever you've got, you can clean them up pretty well just using common products that you can get from your local auto stores or online. We use here at Juniors, we use Aqua Gloss in combination with some different cleaning supplies. If depending on how dirty the mats are, you may need to use a heavy duty degreaser. Sometimes you can just use an all purpose cleaner. I've found that Meguiar's all purpose detailer cleaner is pretty good. And if you need to get a little bit more power on there, you can use a degreaser, and most things will kind of just come right off of rubber mats, especially with the combination of a pressure washer. So pressure washing off the mats alone can increase the look, make it feel a lot better. And then when you put a product like Aqua Gloss on there, it restores that deep, rich black shine. But as you can see here, what we're going to do today, these ones needed a little bit of extra. So we used a degreaser and an all-purpose combined. The degreaser we use, it just depends on how bad it is. So in this case, very light, I went with a Dawn. Dawn is a great cleaner for most things automotive. The only thing I tread lightly on and most of the time don't use it on is car paint, as it will strip just about anything, any protectants that you've got on. But combination of a drill brush attachment, kind of just, you can see the buildup is just, it's just getting pulled right out of there. You didn't see, there wasn't very much, but the stuff that was deeply embedded in has now come right off. And when we pressure wash it off here in a couple of seconds, you're gonna really see the real deep dark black color come back to these mats. So drill brush attachment can make this faster. You can do this by hand, as I've shown in videos before, with just a stiff bristle brush. That works great. Heavier grit and grime, you will probably want or need a pressure washer, but you can also do this with just a hose at home, your common garden hose. Just, you need water, chemicals, and a little bit of elbow grease can get you a long ways with this kind of stuff. But as you'll see here, we've taken this mat from pretty grimy. It had probably never really been washed. And you'll see us apply the Aqua Gloss. We'll leave a link in the description below for that as well. So we're just going to finish up pressure washing this mat here, and then we're going to move on to actually applying the Aqua Gloss. So Aqua Gloss is a Superior product. You've probably seen it. If I'm popping up on your feed, you've seen it on YouTube. Superior Products does a lot of detailing products, not specifically just detailing, but oriented towards that. They're great products. I like them. I like them so much that I use them in my business every day, and I use them in all my personal vehicles. Very versatile. Versatile application, versatile dilution ratios for a lot of that stuff. For most purposes, I dilute this stuff 3 to 1. In some cases, I'll put it in a spray bottle like this, where it gives a real good even coat all around, and then all I have to do is come in here with a microfiber applicator pad and just work it in, and that leaves less surface like residue left behind. So you're not as slick. They'll be slick anyway because you're taking years of dirt and grime off of there, but that's pretty much it. Applicator pad, spray it, or just rub it in. You're good.